Welcome to all. Now I am going to do some practicals with the shapes. You can do the clipping mask, but you need to practice this. What is the way I am going to do now? The initial days you need to replicate the designs. Once you can able to replicate the design, then you can do new creativity. Don't try to do new creativity immediately because you will suffer a lot. This is the best method. In what you will do in the very small edges, you will get a letters. You will draw above the letters. Then once you are able to draw properly, then they will give a free form paper with white paper without any letter. So they will able. There is a double line, single line, three lines. So once double line, single line, everything is off, you can able to write easily on the plain paper. The same theory you need to do here. What the practicals I am going to do that? I am replicating some designs. Then I am also teaching you how to do that. So go through the replication session. Okay, this is a design I created in discrete. So you can see that it is a flat image. So flat image I put it here. So what I done here, I created each and every objects here. You can see that. How can you create that? So if you want to create this one, what you need to do, you just click here, you can draw like this, a shape, then you can rounder radius you can do, you can bring it to here, you can check it's exactly matching to that. Little bit difference also you can leave it. Okay, then you can do that. Same way. So I'm deleting this. Same way you can also do this. You can here you can give fill on nil also you can do, otherwise you can give white. Then you can draw here. Then you can zoom it. You can see your, then you can go here, width you can adjust. So now you can see that on the top. So this is a way in the designs you can do that. So you will get a layout like this. So now I'm hiding this. So you got the layout here. So what do I need? An image here. So I'll give these files also file place embedded. Embedded means design. Okay, then I'm placing the image. I'm going down. Okay, then I'm going down this layer. Now this layer is on the top. Putting here so easy can manage it. Then I am putting here. So now, okay, now it is reached here. Now I need a gradient. So what you need to do, I'm just drawing here. Then I'm going to select fill as gradient. Now I am going to do uh, so here you can change the gradient to this color. Again here also I'll teach you how the gradient need to be edited. That will be later. So now you understood that this gradient I edited and changing some positive to mix with. Okay, here then I am editing here. I think this is good. No, this one is better. Okay. Now you can see all these. What you can do, we can lock this layer. So then when you are clicking, it will not affect this also. I lock. Okay. Now you go up. What are things are there? So we can also put discover the world here. It's capital letter or normal letter. Text tool also I am not taking. I'll take it. Discover the world. You can either change your letter to white, then alignment to center, and if you want, you can change this, make it bigger. I'm not doing proportionate. Control M. Okay, so then I'm placing some more text file, place. So you have a lot of images. You can do place images here. I'm reducing the size. I place the image here. Then I am selecting the below layer. See, this is the layer. Below layer is this. So I'm selecting both layer. Press Alt. In between layer I am coming. So what I am going to press Alt. No, something. Now I'm selecting both layer and press Alt. Now it is working perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to second one. Second thumbnail too. I'm going to select this layer. Then File, Place Embedded. I'm selecting this image. I'm reducing the size. Press Control. So it is proportionately. It will reduce it. So here it's one. Here is the melt. So I am selecting Shift Select both layers. This layer Shift Select. Press Alt in between. Okay. So this is also. Again I am placing another image. Place Embedded. Another image I am going to place is this mine. Okay. I have done a mistake. I don't know where is this layer. So I have to find it the layer. Place again, right click, thumb 3. Okay. So I place this image. Okay, I place on the top. Then I am going to resize this. Okay, I'm selecting thumb 3 is here. Selecting both layers. Shift select. Then press Alt. The new icon is come. You press in between. Okay. Same way, place embedded. What is next? Okay, Jesus Christ. Control, I am reducing the size. Okay, I'm pressing enter. Still 5. Okay, we need to come here. We need a 4. 4 is this, so a bit below. Okay, now I'm going to select both layer. Then Alt I am pressing in between them. So one more image, file, place. One more image is this. So again, I done again a mistake. I need to go to that layer. I'm reducing the size. Okay. Now I need to come back to thumb 5. Okay, you can see that. Okay, I selected both layer. Press Alt. Now you can see everything is selected. You can select all these. Yes, you can just check this would work. No, this will work with images, not with boxes. Let's use. Okay, now you can check what it is there on the top. So now all the things are the text. We can add the text one by one. Then the exact design you have. So now you can check. This is the design. We are done. Easy. Now only remaining you need to add the text and everything. Sorry, this one is moved. Is locked also. I need to unlock. Then I need to move. Somewhere it is. Press lock. See, these are the things you have done. You can do once you can lock it. So now you can see I have completed one design. And lot many other things need to do. You can just see here. So the alignment we can again you can check. You can just opacity you can reduce it. Then do the exact design the same way. You can complete one design. So you are an expert designer. You can create one good layout. Okay, so one more thing I am not forget. I need to do that. There is a you can see the white border is here. How can you easily do? That's why I place this one is here. Come here, make it little bigger, zoom properly. Then you need to come down. So little bit width also need to increase. This is the one way you can do the exact design. Other way you can do that. No, other way is not possible because you mask. So this is the way you can complete the design. You can find out a good font. Comparatively, this you can also find out a very good, promising font that and bigger letter, whatever things, whatever the modification you can do that, and you can also do one more thing here. So you are a great designer. So this is a way some designs if you see you can best copy it, then you can add your own designs, and then you can sell it. Some client you are asking. Copy pasting also good netting. How individually you are copy pasting. Okay, thank you for watching. Do the same exercise.